back to my channel. My name is Keishla. If you didn't know, now you know. And I'm finally back, guys. I've been gone for some time, but I am back now. I finally got a camera, so bear with me. You know, I'm still learning the camera. It doesn't have a flip screen, so I can't really tell if it's focused or not. That's the only thing I don't like about it. But otherwise, the camera is pretty good. But yeah, in today's video, I'm just gonna be doing get ready with me for work, or I don't know, maybe a day in life with me. It can turn into that because I can't record at work, so you know, yeah. But don't mind how I look, okay? I just woken up. Thank you. But yeah, it is 1 something, I think 1:42. Yeah, and I'm going to work for 3. So I like to take my time, so I'm gonna get ready right now and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So let's get into this video. Then drop them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now. So I dry my face. I put this Cetaphil Daily Facial Moisturizer Cream on my face. This is all I put. Guys, so in this clip, I started to do my hair and I only got a little bit of footage because for some reason the camera ended up being frozen, and I guess that had something to do with my battery being dead because in the next clip after this, my camera died. So I didn't get much footage of me doing my makeup or my hair. So enjoy the video. Thank you guys for watching. Won't contemplate, you got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. You went from the start, there was no limit to you. And I'm catching. So guys, in this clip I had just finished doing my hair. It was 2:49 and I was supposed to go to work for 3, but after I got told that I was supposed to come in for 4 instead, I just took my time and ended up doing my makeup, you know. And I took my time, so enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you guys for watching again. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Guys, let me tell you guys. So when I went to Florida, I went to this Chinese lady. And she messed up my eyebrows so bad. Like, this one is more lower than this one. You can tell the difference, right? But it's okay. We're gonna deal with it. But guys, I'm using the, wait, no, not yet. Not yet. But I'm using the Bright Future Concealer from Sephora. And I'm using the Brow Liberty Soft Black for my eyebrows from Sally's. The sponge from Sally's.
I say you well, come through and chill.
With you tonight is on an island. It's about time for making up. Times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love.
Also, I forgot to tell you guys, I used the calamine lotion before I applied the concealer because I saw this one girl, she was saying that like she have oily skin and the calamine lotion keep her skin dry like with the makeup on throughout the day. So I was like, I have oily skin, let me try it.
So confused, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? When you have this place on earth, take you there, take you, show you something, give you more than words. When you have this place on earth, take you there, take you there, won't you?
Guys, I'm not a pro at makeup. Just want to let you know. I'm literally a beginner. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing it. Okay? Because if you don't try, you know, how are you going to know what to do? I don't know how much this has recorded, but my camera, something happened to it and it stopped by itself. I'm gonna be so mad if it didn't record anything. Like I was saying, before I realized, did it stop again? Okay. Before I realized my camera stopped, like I was saying, this is the waterproof eyeliner. And I take it and I put it under like in my waterline, if that makes sense. Whatever you call it.
Me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, it's about time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up.
Okay, so I'm gonna repeat this all over again because I'm not sure if I got it on camera or if I got footage of it because did it stop again? This camera about to piss me off. Seriously. Like I was saying before, my camera stopped recording by itself. This is the foundation I use. It's called Woke Up Like This from I Am Makeage. This is not an ad. This is not sponsored. I took a quiz online. They sent it to me. You can use it free for 14 days. And like, it matches my skin. I didn't go in person to take this or like get it matched. Nothing. So, yeah. It came with a brush as well. Brush. Then I use this Sephora Bright Future Concealer. You know. Then I use this for my eyebrows. It's called Brow Liberty in Soft Black. It comes with like a brush on this side and then like the pen on this side. I use that for my eyebrows, you know, to like darken it or whatever. And then like I use this outline my waterline. That's pretty much it. I don't have a contour yet, so this is my contour. Whatever you say. I don't have that yet, so when I get done, I'll probably contour my face. Oh, how can I forget that? I'm not a makeup pro. None of that. I don't know how to do my makeup. I just do it how I think is right. So this is not the right video to follow. I use the eyebrow pencil, so outline my lips. That's probably not. Don't follow this video. Let me tell you a funny joke, right? I don't know, I was doing a makeup tutorial just now, right? And as I go look to see like how I look on camera, the thing was on the screen, video has stopped automatically by itself. I was like right now I'm recording, like I showed like how I do my lips and what I do my lips with and like how I did my eyebrows. And I was like, no, it just stopped by itself. Like I don't know how I know if you're recording is because that red button is blinking that you can see. That's how I'm recording. That's like it's showing that my voice, like you know my voice speaking. I think that's probably the battery died. Maybe. No, I think that's like it'll always show like when I'm talking, it'll blink like that. And I didn't see it blinking after a while. Like I was so focused on to do my makeup and thing and like talking to them and be like, okay, so like this is what I do. I'm not a pro. Da 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 da. And I look up. And the thing won't blinking no more. I was like,
you check it and see what it is?
yeah, and right now it's still blinking. Now I didn't check, but I'll cut that part out. Maybe not. Maybe. Okay, so this is what I use. This is the eyebrow pencil. I use this to like outline my lips. And then like when I outline it, I just like blend it down. You know? Again, I am not a makeup pro. I'm not a makeup artist. I just do this for fun. And after I do that, I take my mascara from Sally's, and I just apply it. Because I'm not going to wear eyelashes to work. I mean, I would, but they're just going to look at me weird. Like, why is she wearing eyelashes to work? I don't care though.
Damn, Zeus, you too cold, bruh. What you doing?
Okay, so that's pretty much what I do for my makeup. Like I said, I don't have the contour to like, you know, contour my face, but whatever. So I just use what I have. Yes. Oh. Okay, so my camera's about to die, but thank you guys for watching this video. That was the end of my get ready with me, I can say. I guess, something like that. And thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.